So one of my goals this year was to start seed saving. And so I want to show you what seeds I'm saving from my garden. Now remember, you can only save heirloom variety seeds. So if you have one of the newest hybrids, which hey, I grow some of the hybrids too. I love some of the hybrid tomatoes. Then don't waste your time saving the seeds because they won't run true to the plant. You need to have an heirloom variety. So one of my goals at the beginning of this year was to do some seed saving in my garden, and this is parsnip seeds. Now what I did was not dig up all my parsnips last year, and so when they came back they went to seed, and you can see they're actually probably about 5 feet, no, maybe some of them are 6 feet tall, and they came out to kind of these flowers, kind of a little bit like Queen Anne's lace, and now they have dried into the seeds. So I'm just going to cut off one here. So can you see them? Each of these are individual seeds. So right now I'm going to cut the flower heads off here, and then we'll harvest the seeds when we get in the house. Now to retrieve the seeds, it's really easy. You just go like this with your hand and they just fall right off. You know what? On one flower head is probably more than the seeds I'd need to grow the number of parsnips I grow, but next time maybe I'll only leave one in the ground. They make some pretty tall plants. Anyway, I think you can get the idea, and here are all the parsnip seeds. So it's really easy to harvest parsnip seeds. Wanted to share with you one more thing. Remember, a parsnip is a biennial, and by that I mean it takes 2 years to produce the seed. So that's why I left these in the ground and they came up. You also need with parsnips some cross-pollination. So you do want to have at least 2 of the roots grow up a plant and cross-pollinate each other. But you know what? Really simple. Basically you leave them in the ground and you do nothing. And then you can harvest the seeds in the late summer. Now I just got done making myself some little parsnip seed packets, my own packets. And boy, are they full. There's no way I would grow this much parsnips. But I wanted to see what it would be like. And let's see how well these winter. Some people say you should put this in the refrigerator. Some even say the freezer. But definitely a cool, dark spot. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm putting them in my basement. Now, I'd love to hear from you what seeds you're saving this fall for the garden next spring. This is Potpourri. Please comment below. And as always, thank you so much for subscribing and sharing the knowledge. And boy, did the sun just come out. Bye.